Everybody, this is Ali, and today is September 26, and we are 39 days away from taking the PNLE 2025. So, ang exam po namin ay November 4 and 5. Am I prepared? Right now, siguro mga 30% pa lang siya. Kasi this week pa lang ako nag-start mag-lock-in and medyo ni-regret ko, hindi naman talagang ni-regret ko na hindi agad ako nag-start ng early kasi usually after pumasok ng review, pagka-uwi, tulog, ganon. Ganon lang yung ginagawa ko kasi nga hindi ko alam. Lagi ako napapagod. So, mas pinipili ko laging matulog. And ngayon, may pressure na. Mahilig grammar kasi talaga ang tao. So, maglalaki na ako. Isasagad ko tong 1 month. Pero you know what? Somehow, at peace ako. Kasi alam ko na ibibigay ito sa akin ni Lord. Hindi lang sa akin, pero sa mga friends ko, sa mga schoolmates ko. Alam niyo ba, mahilig akong humingi ng sign kay Lord. Way before pa, nung nasa nursing school pa ako, lagi ako nanghihingi ng sign kay Lord. And lagi ako may nakikitang sign after kung mag-pray sa Kanya. So, lagi niya akong ina-assure na itong path na to ay meant for me. Kaya, yeah, at peace ako somehow. Pero, syempre, hindi pa rin mawawala yung kaba. Kasi, hindi naman natin siya maaalis. Of course, pinag-aralan natin ng 4 na taon yun sa nursing school. And then, ngayon, ito na siya. It's now or never. So, yeah, I will do my 101% best hanggang sa matapos ang board exam. Wala tayong ititira. I decided to fail para lang at least pagkatapos ng lahat ng to, may mabalikan ako na ganito pala yung naging journey ko sa pag-review, pag-take ng boards, after makapasa, after ng oath-taking and everything. Kasi lagi nilang sinasabi na once you have the license, once you pass the board exam, simula pa lang lahat yun. Well, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Yeah, right now, kailangan muna nating mag-aral. Let's go. Hi everybody, good afternoon. Today is October 9 and we only have 26 days before the board exam. By the way, yesterday was our final pre-boards. Mahirap ba siya? Yes. Parang pinakamadali lang dun. Well, hindi naman pinakamadali. Parang kaya naman sagutan yung NP1 but like the NP2 and NP3 was 50-50 kasi very objective yung NP2. Technical, like hard. Kailangan mo talagang i-analyze ng mabuti yung question bago ka mag-answer. And NP3, it was okay too. Hindi ko siya masasabing sobrang hirap kasi kahit papano naman nasagutan ko naman siya. Originally, today dapat yung NP4 and NP5 pero hindi natuloy. So, tomorrow na lang siya. By the way, our final coaching will be on Sunday and yes guys, this is only an update for you para lang aware kayo na meron na tayong 26 days and sobrang dami pang kailangang iscan at aralin na topic. Hi everybody, good morning. Today is October 12, Sunday. It's currently 5:47 a.m. So we are 23 days away from taking the board exam. Yes, good morning sa manok. So, today's our first day of final coaching and ang theme namin ay tambay or mga chismosa.
Ano to? Day off sa bakery ni Indon. Isang dahon, isang picture!
This is the perfect time for you to choose yourself. For these remaining weeks, pwede bang ako naman muna?
Hi everybody, this is an update regarding our first day of final coaching. Halos ko uwi ko lang talaga and guess what? 2:38 a.m. na po. Late na natapos ang aming final coaching. Meron na lang akong at least 1.5 hour or 2 hours of sleep. Kasi by 4 dapat gising na ulit ako. Nilook forward ko na lang talaga yung day off namin. Mag-rest talaga ako. Kasi actually, ang iniisip ko is, what if umabsent ako? Kasi I really wanted to rest muna. Gusto ko muna talaga mag-rest. Pero kasi hindi pwede. Dahil ang magtuturo sa amin for our second day is si Sir Andrew, isa sa mga Holy Trinity. So, hindi pwede, hindi natin siya pwedeng palagpasin. Grabe. Isa si Sir Andrew sa pinakamagaling magturo ng psych. Guys, legit. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng absenan. We have no choice but to sacrifice. Konti na lang naman. The final coaching today, it was so fun. It was really fun. May mga short segment din na pakulo, no? I'll sleep for 1.5 hour or 2 bago tayo pumasok ulit for the second day. Let's go.
Beans, banana, beans, banana. Mabait for walks.
If the one who calls me to be a nurse is faithful and he will surely do it. And he really did it in my life. And the same God who promised to me is the same God who promised to you. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, go. Walang sinisimulan si Lord nang hindi niya tinatapos yan. Okay? Kung itinawid ka niya ng 4 years, how much more He can do in 2 days.
Alright, so I wish you all well. Okay? God bless on your board examination. Keep safe always, and I will see you all in your own takings.
The product of every sleepless night, every page of bread, and every tear you've shed. Remember, this journey was never meant to be easy, and it's never been. Tama? Marami kayo pinagdaanan for sure, correct? Correct, diba? But it's always been worth it, diba? The stars will align for all of us, the Ubeharaya family, on November 4 and 5. Because alam ko kung ano ang capabilities at potential ninyong lahat.
Hi everybody, good morning. Today is October 25, 5:17 a.m. Kapengkay ang tao dahil magbibisita de Iglesia kami. So, our plan is to visit 9 churches today. Lahat yon tatapusin namin. Yung mga churches na i-visit namin ay St. Anne Church, which is yung church na kinalakihan talaga namin. And then San Roque Church sa Pateros, Pasig Cathedral, St. Jude, kay St. Clair, Quiapo Church, Baclaran Church, Manila Cathedral, and St. Pio. So, I really hope matapos namin siya lahat. Wala na kasi kaming free day. I mean, meron. On November 1 kasi, last day na yon. So, we have November 2 and 3. Then, November 2, balak namin i-visit yung testing site kasi it's around QC. And titingin kami ng mga Airbnb also. Kasi, ayaw namin mag-risk, mag-commute kasi nga board exam na yun. Bawal malate. Oh my God. Hard. Para November 3, pahinga na lang kami. We need to clear our headspace kasi diba grabe yung pressure and then yung puyat. Sobrang sleep deprived na namin. So, yeah, we really need to rest a day before the exam. Actually, may pasok kami today. Mag-rasyon ng final pre-boards, which is very, very important. Kaya lang, we have no choice. Baka kulangin kami sa time dahil, ayun nga, hindi pwede ang November 3. Talagang priority namin yun. Kailangan talaga namin ipahinga yung sarili namin. Anyway, I'll bring you guys along with me, with us, sa pag-visit namin ng mga churches. So, yeah.
May the Lord grant you this favor. So may the Lord bless you, the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Bless the Lord, divine you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Hi everybody! We are here sa CEU Manjola. Kakatapos lang namin magpa-bless kay Father para sa gamit namin. Bali, ang napuntahan na naming churches ay St. Anne, Pasig Cathedral, San Roque.
San Roque. Tapos, si St. Jude.
Bali, nakaka-4 na kami. Meron pa kaming 5. And we are on our way to
Quiapo Church.
Quiapo
Naku,
Church.
doon tayo kumain ng food. Ay,
Yes, and Manila Cathedral. And then
And
we'll
St.
go
Clair.
to St. Clair and St. Pio. Time check, it's 10:55. Actually, it's early pa. Anyway, we'll update you guys kasi maingay na, legit. Ah!
Dapat mag-squeeze para bumaba ang dugo, eh nagsishake lang siya. So, nag-iipon yung tubig dyan. So, magsisake siya ka ulit. Gets po? Yeah? Okay. So, correct answer here is letter 1. Kuya! Nataka!
So,
Nakukuha niyo ba?
hi everybody, good morning. Today is October 29 and we are 6 days away from taking the board exam. Sobrang lapit na, oh my god. Anyway, I just woke up and today is our second to the last final coaching. So, ang magtuturo sa amin ngayon is si Sir Bri for the continuation of MS. And then tomorrow will be OB, final coaching. Actually, late na ako. Kasi kagigising ko lang. I'm not feeling well. Kahapon pa, hindi na ako aabot. So, I'm just taking my time. I'm gonna eat breakfast. And baka mag-angkas na lang ako going to SLRC. I'm thinking nga if papasok pa ako. Pero kasi, sayang din naman. If hindi ko papasukan si Sir Brian, oh my God, Sir Brian, this is the best lecturer talaga. As you can tell, sa voice ko, talagang hard. Kung kailang malapit na yung board exam, talaga naman, ngayon na naman ulit siya nagkasakit. Parang 4 times na ako nagkasakit sa buong 5 months ng pag-review. Grabe, hindi ko talaga to in-expect. Hindi naman talaga ako sakitin hard. Kaya lang, I don't know, siguro pagod na rin talaga. Really hope na maging okay na ako before matapos tong week na to kasi parang hindi ko naman kakayanin kung may sakit ako tapos magsasagot ako ng boards. Yeah, pray for me. Thank God.
Hysterectomy done, mostly. Hindi na ino abdomen. Paano na? Dito na, oh. Pipitasin na lang dito. Okay? Kasi bumababa na siya. I-open up na lang yung ating area dito, tapos saka siya kanamin. Kasi mas mabilis ng babae. Dito may butas ka na dyan. Pag-abdominal, magbubutas ka pa. Next. Number 100. Yung pagkikita natin as a lecturer, reviewist sa local boards. Ayan! Ayan! Kailan? November 2025! Shout your name with an R and sa dulo.
Hi everybody, I'm back. So today is October 31 and we are 3 days away from taking the board exams. Sobrang lapit na guys. Oh my God. Medyo chill pa rin naman tayo kahit papano. I'm here to give you a short update kung ano-ano yung mga nangyari this past few weeks or days. Dahil hindi nga ako nakapag-video, bukod sa nawawala siya sa isip ko, wala talagang time. Dahil sobrang busy ng final coaching week, we had to really focus kahit na minsan tulog ako. Most of the time tulog ako. And nagkasakit din talaga ako nitong mga nakaraan. Until now actually, though hindi naman na siya super. Pero kaya to, naklalaban ng tao. Last time, nung first day namin ng novena sa St. Jude, nawalan ako ng malay. Maybe sa super pagod, sobra, kasi like fatigue, hard. Dahil a day before that, nagbisita iglesia kami. For the whole day, nakauwi na kami ng gabi. So, sobrang nakakapagod talaga siya, but it was all worth it. And then, after that day, may final coaching kami nabukasan. And I don't have enough sleep. Hindi rin ako nakakain ng maayos that time. Pero kumain ako ng something. Hindi nga lang siya ganun karami. Hindi rin ako nakapag-lunch. Nagsaging lang ako, I remember. And then, after that night, hindi ako pumasok for our final coaching ng PDEA. I had to sacrifice that day just to give myself a rest, just to clear my headspace, just to reset for a day, no? Kasi hindi talaga pwede na tuloy-tuloy. Kailangan natin makinig sa katawan natin. Mawawala yung pinagagagawa natin kung magkakasakit tayo tapos di tayo makakapag-boards. It's a no, okay? So yun, nag-rest ako for the whole day as in bed rat malala. Kasi nag-prepare din talaga ako. Kasi after that day, final coaching naman namin for MS kay Sir Brian. Regarding today, actually kanina, last final coaching namin kay Ma'am Crazy, si Princess. Ang team namin kanina ay Halloween. Hindi ako ganong nag-effort ko ano lang yung makuha ko. So, nag-magic mic lang ako. I'm gonna show you some pictures. And you know what guys? Actually right now, nakasad siya. Tapos na siya. Like for me, mamimiss ko talaga yung review. Like, the whole journey, though given, nakakapagod talaga siya since balik-balik kami, no? Commute kami, everyday, uwian, ganyan. Pero, you know, wala ewan ko, iba yung feeling talaga kapag nasa review center ka, kahit na may mga times, madalas akong natutulog. Magagaling din talaga yung mga lecture, and sobrang saya lang, sobrang saya ng vibe. So, very, very thankful to SLRC Manila. Actually, today ay rest day namin dapat. Pero kailangan namin mag-rationalize ng mock boards. I decided not to attend na mamaya kasi gusto ko talagang mag-focus sa mga final coaching materials. Kailangan ko siyang tapusin in the span of 3 days. Kaya, ima-maximize ko talaga siya. Kung kayang tatapusin ko talaga siya. So, ngayon, I'm gonna do an all-nighter. Tatapusin ko ang final coaching ng CHN and then ng OB para tomorrow, mapasadahan ko na yung MS and then the psych for the next days, Palmer and Funda. So, that's our plan. Anyway, November 1 pala ang aming send-off, which is tomorrow. We'll have our mass and then blessing ng mga things na gagamitin namin for the board exam. And then, yeah, after nun, hiwa-hiwalay na kami. Magkikita na ulit kami sa mismong board exam day. So, I'm actually very excited. That's it, guys. That's all. Yun lang ang update ko. So, ngayon mag-aaral muna ako. I'm gonna do final lock-in kasi hindi talaga ako nakapag-lock-in ng heart. Kasi ang daming nangyari sa buhay ko. Sinubok ang tao. Yeah, we will give and we'll do our 101% best to get that license. Okay?